In order to enroll selected checkpoints from all available client checkpoints, you have to assign them so that only assigned ones appears during route planning. In this tutorial, we will show you how to assign checkpoints. First, navigate to the Patrol tab, and click Assign Checkpoints. Click on the Action button and go to Edit page. You will see a list of available checkpoints that are associated with that particular client site. Simply select one or multiple as per your planning. Once done, press Save Record button and now you see a confirmation message. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.